going to do makeup tutorial in ASMR style. So weird. I already cleansed and toned my skin, so right now I am going in with this oil elixir by Velmont. This is nourishing face oil. I'm going to apply a couple of drops around my area where my skin has been mostly dry, and I do have a couple of breakouts, especially underneath the eyes area is always so dry. It's definitely winter time. I've been using this one for not that long, so I'm still in a phase of testing this product, but the one product that I am loving it, and I know it's a bit more expensive, is this Dermalogica Skin Smoothing Cream. I'm going to apply a generous amount. This is such a great product for the dry skin. It works wonders for me. I'm starting with the brow balm from the Pilates. This smells nice. I'm going to take generous amount with my brush, with a brush that came with it. Going to spread that on my brush. Start pushing the product onto my brows. I need more. nose area, rather than go really harsh with a dark contour. Once that step is done, I'm going in with the Makeup Area Concealer. Shade 180. This texture is a bit thicker than I generally love it to be. Going again with a beauty blender. Now it is time to set, and I'm using Makeup Forever HD Skin Matte Velvet Powder Foundation in 1 and 10. I'm going to avoid contour areas. Hourglass Ambient new palette in Leopard. I did customize the packaging of the owl. I think it's gorgeous. I'm using the bronzer. I think it's beautiful. Now for my blush, I'm gonna mix these two shades. And for my highlight, I will be using highlight from this palette. Now to set everything, I am using Maybelline's Lasting Fix Setting Spray. I will finish off my lips with Natasha Denona Leon and MAC Leave Me Breathless lipstick, and I'll be right back. And so here it is, you guys. The whole makeup look is done. I'm loving how this turned out. Like I said, this is my first ASMR video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment. What do you think about these types of a video? I had fun filming this one, even though it feels so weird compared to what I usually do. Thank you